Well, this time of year, if you're like me, you might be dealing with dry skin or other kind of skin issues associated with the weather. But, you know, we humans are not alone. Our pets tend to deal with skin issues as well. So joining us now from the SPCA, we've got Justin Vlosich with us. And talk a little bit about why some of these skin issues should not be ignored, why they could be warning signs, Justin.
Absolutely. So like you were saying, our pets can deal with skin issues too. So kind of keeping an eye out for any scratching, nibbling, biting of their little paws or something like that could be a sign that there's a little skin issue or allergies or something going on. And that could treating it early can save you a lot of money down the line, could cause your pet, give them a lot of comfort. So kind of identifying that early and watching for the warning signs could be a huge help for your pet.
Now, in addition to that, you know, fleas and things of that nature can also cause some issues. So give us some details as to what we should look out for that.
Absolutely. So fleas and ticks and stuff can also cause your pet to break out in a rash, to develop these issues down the line. Basically, you want to keep an eye out for any scratching. You want to check them often and see if you could identify any fleas or ticks. Keep up with their flea and tick preventative because that's super important. You want to make sure that you're keeping them safe and itch-free as much as possible. So keeping them up to date on their medicines, watching out for any signs of itching, anything like that. Could help prevent any more serious skin diseases that could come from like flea or tick bites or something like that.
And just like humans, you know, our pets can get allergic to things that can also be irritants. So any things that they should maybe stay away from to try and prevent some of those skin issues?
So it varies by pet. Different pets are allergic to different things, just like we are. Some pets may have food allergies, some may not, some may be allergic to the grass or things like that. So kind of identifying with your vet where those issues may be coming from, where those allergies are stemming from, could be key in helping your pet kind of be good with their skin. You know, it won't cause any more issues down the line. Kind of staying on top of it can help prevent things like ringworm or mange or more serious things that could even be spread to humans sometimes. And kind of keeping on top of those will help that from getting any further.
And how would you know if your dog did have ringworm? I know for us humans it's very visible, but how would you see that in the midst of all the fur?
A ringworm a lot of times causes hair loss in our pups, so keeping an eye out for any patches of hair loss that aren't usually there, anything like that. You want to kind of identify that immediately. Hot spots, something like that, could be another way to tell that something's going on. The most common sign, though, is a little patch of hair loss wherever the ringworm is.
We've got a little furry friend on your lap right now. Tell us about that pup that's up for adoption today.
Yes, so this is Sadie. She is 2 years old. She's a little Shih Tzu mix, and she is like the calmest dog you'll ever meet. She came in super matted and not the best situation, so we had to shave her to help get her comfortable, and she's wearing a cute little jacket here to help keep her warm. She's super sweet, loves people, will just sit in your lap and kind of chill, watch a movie with you or something.
Hey, we all need a good little movie friend to help us in that department. So Justin, thank you so much for joining us with the insight on some of the skin issues. And then if you're interested in adopting a pet like Sadie there, you can call the phone number right there on your screen, 504-368-5191. Or as always, you can visit the LASPCA website. They've got a list of all kinds of adoptables for you as well. So thank you both for joining us. We totally appreciate it.
Thank you for having us.